Hello everyone, in this video talk about PEB structure, your ultimate solution for streamlined construction processes. With our innovative pre-engineered building solutions, we simplify the construction journey, ensuring that your project is delivered on time and within budget. Our expert team combines cutting-edge technology with years of experience to provide robust structures that meet your unique needs. Imagine a construction process where communication is seamless, quality is guaranteed, and every detail is meticulously handled. That's what we offer at PEB Structure. Our custom designs are tailored to fit your specifications, whether it's for commercial spaces, warehouses, or industrial facilities. We prioritize efficiency, safety, and sustainability, guaranteeing that your project is not only effective but environmentally responsible as well. We understand that you want a hassle-free experience, with a final product that exceeds your expectations. With PEB Structure, you'll enjoy peace of mind throughout the construction process, knowing your dream project is in capable hands. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.